How to use LegalZoom online business compliance properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. LegalZoom's online business compliance service is a powerful tool, but the surprising truth is that beginners often make mistakes that can lead to fines, missed filings, or legal headaches. The first mistake is assuming compliance is a one-time task. Annual reports, tax filings, and license renewals are ongoing responsibilities. Use LegalZoom's alerts but track deadlines actively yourself. Another common error is entering incorrect business information. Misspelled names, outdated addresses, or wrong officer details can delay filings or cause rejections. Double-check all entries before submission. Many users skip customizing alerts. LegalZoom allows notifications for critical filings, but beginners who ignore them can miss deadlines. Tailor alerts for your state and business type. Neglecting record keeping is another pitfall. Supporting documents are necessary for audits or legal verification. Keep organized digital and physical copies of all filings and correspondence. Finally, some assume LegalZoom replaces professional advice. Complex ownership structures, multi-state operations, or tax issues may require attorney or accountant consultation. Treat LegalZoom as a tool, not a full solution. To use LegalZoom online business compliance properly, track ongoing filings, verify business info, customize alerts, maintain records, and consult professionals when needed. Avoid these mistakes, and your business will stay compliant and secure.